Yes guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Arpan and have you heard that what they say? They say that on every dollar you invest on email marketing, you are going to get an average a return of $32. And guys, if you are not implementing email marketing in your business by now, you're losing out on a lot of money. So don't you worry from now, because I'll be creating a 6 to 7 videos, a step-by-step tutorial on email marketing. By watching those videos, you can easily set up your business with your email marketing system. And guys, if you're new to my channel, I'm Arpan. I generally create content on making money online as well as affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in such kind of content, make sure you drop a like to my videos, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any queries, don't feel shy to ask me in the comment section below. Okay, so guys, without any delay, let's get started. So guys, in this entire email marketing series, we are going to cover all these, like what is email marketing system, how to create a lead magnet, how to get started for free using a free email marketing software, which I'm going to show you later on. Then we have to create our email list, our first email list, as well as I will also show you how to create a proper landing page or a capture page, and how to set up your lead magnet with that capture page. Okay, then I'm going to show you how to write the first welcome email, how to set up your autoresponder, and finally how to automate your entire email marketing system. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you about this first step, which is what is an email marketing system and how an email marketing system works. So let's go to my Chrome. So guys, I hope you can see the diagram here in this page. Guys, all these things are a part of email marketing system, and as you can see, the first thing which we need in an email marketing system is the traffic, and the traffic can be either free sources or it come from paid sources. Okay, in free sources it can include your YouTube videos, your blogs, your TikTok videos. Okay, but in case of paid traffic, you can use Facebook ads, Google ads, you can run Instagram ads, you can run solo ads. Okay, like that. So the first thing in our email marketing system is traffic. Now all the traffic should go to our opt-in page, which in other words is also known as capture page. And guys, the best way to do is, while someone is giving us their email ID and name, we should provide them something to them as a free. Okay, that the free thing is your lead magnet. So we present them something and we give them our lead magnet to get their email IDs. It is like an ethical bribing system. Okay, so once we get their email IDs, our audience goes to the next page, which is a thank you page. And in the thank you page, you have several options. You can have a call to action. You can send them to the next page, which is a sales page, if you have a intention to sell something, or you can just easily tell them that go check your email, I have sent you the lead magnet. Okay, so guys, once a person opts in, that person goes to our email marketing list. Okay, that is our lead. So similarly, let's say 1,000 people comes into our opt-in form, and let's say 30% converted. So we are going to have 300 people in our email database. So that is the list. And now once your audience is into your list, now it's your duty to set up an automation system or an autoresponder sequence, so that it's not possible for us, right, to suppose a person joins into our email marketing system. It's not possible for us to manually send them emails. Like every day you can have, say, thousands of leads, so you cannot mail them individually, right? So we have to set up an autoresponder or an automation sequence that will help to send emails automatically using the software, which I'm going to show you in the next video. So the first email should be the welcome email. Your second email can be, you can tell your share about your story, your struggles, what you have faced till far. And your third email can be like, you should tell your audience to whitelist your email, so that from next time when you are going to send them email, it lands in their inbox. Okay, and guys, in the fourth email, you can provide them with value, or if you want to sell something, you can pitch them. Similarly, you can pitch them for the sixth email or fifth email. And like this, you have to continue the entire process. You have to create your own autoresponder and automation sequences, okay, beforehand. Okay, now I would suggest you to go for this formula, which says pitch, value, pitch, value. So On the first day is always we have to send them a welcome email and tell them about ourselves, our story and struggles. Then we can use 2 emails to pitch the offer. Then after those 2 emails, we have to share them free values, okay, so that they gain trust on us, and the value should be very important and very valuable. So after your 3 value emails, then again you can pitch for an email. So this is the sequence you should follow. This is a sequence I personally follow, and it works. In this entire video series, guys, I'm going to show you how to get traffic to your email marketing system. Secondly, I'm going to show you how to create a perfect simple opt-in page with a lead magnet, okay? And then also I will show you how to set up your welcome emails, as well as I will help you to set up all your email autoresponder back sequence, okay, and how to automate those as well. So by watching every videos in this series, you will come to know everything about email marketing, and I hope you will start to implement this, because if you're not implementing email marketing in your business right now, you're losing a lot of money, my friend. So guys, that was all in today's video. I hope you understood how email marketing system works and how we are going to create this entire system from the scratch, okay? And if you really like this video, make sure you drop a like to this video. It will help the YouTube algorithm. And do share this video to the new peoples or who want to learn about email marketing, and ask me any query in the comment section below, okay? So guys, we'll meet you on the next video. Bye bye.